Look! A magical forest! I wonder what kind of creatures live here.
What was that?
I don't know, but I have a bad feeling about this. Gotcha! Barbie and the panda's magical adventure has come to an end, but their friendship will continue to grow. No matter the danger or the darkness of the forest, their bond is unbreakable. Their journey of discovery and courage will take them further, one step at a time.